Hi everyone, it's Li Ping from Learn Chinese for Business. I provide a Chinese communication coach for business professionals who want to learn more about the Chinese culture and improve their Chinese communication skills, especially in business environment. Do you have trouble understanding Chinese culture and their communication methods? Today I'm going to share top 5 Chinese business gifts you should avoid and why. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Avoid white and black objects because they are used in funerals and symbolize death. Number 2. Avoid anything of number 4 because in Chinese, the number 4 sounds very similar to the Chinese character death. Number 4 is 4. The death in Chinese is 死, very similar, right? So avoid giving any gifts instead of number 4. Or avoid any other things with a digital 4 in it. For example, 14, 24, 34, 44. Alright, next one. Avoid giving a clock or a watch as a gift because in Chinese, this phrase giving a clock sounds exactly the same as the Chinese phrase attending a funeral ritual. Yeah, so that's a big no-no. Alright, next one. Avoid sharp objects because there's a common saying in Chinese which is called 一刀两断. It literally means one knife, two halves. So by sending a sharp object to your Chinese friends, you're sending a message that you want to cut off a relationship with them. Alright, last one. Avoid certain flowers. Flowers are generally fine, but remember to avoid white ones, especially chrysanthemums, because those kind of flowers are only used when visiting graves or during funerals. Alright friends, this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to learn more about Chinese culture and Chinese communication skill, please feel free to check my YouTube channel. Or if you are interested with my coaching session, please feel free to reach out to book a study session with me. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye.